In this video, you'll learn how to sell digital items on eBay. This guide explains the necessary steps to create an effective listing for your digital products, ensuring that your items reach potential buyers. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sell section, which is typically located at the top of the homepage. Here you will find the option to create a new listing. When prompted to select a category, choose one that supports digital products or guides. It is crucial to write a clear and descriptive title that accurately summarizes the digital item you are selling. This clarity helps potential buyers understand what they can expect from your listing. Next, provide detailed information about the digital item. Describe the file type, usage, and delivery method. Ensure your listing adheres to eBay's digital goods policy, as this is essential for compliance. A well-crafted description not only informs buyers, but also reduces the chances of confusion or disputes after the sale. Accurate and comprehensive listings are more likely to attract interest and lead to sales. After completing the description, upload images that represent your digital product effectively. This could include previews, screenshots, or any other relevant visuals. In the description section, be sure to explain how the buyer will receive the digital file after purchase. Many sellers opt to deliver files via email or provide a download link. Make it a point to clearly mention these delivery instructions in your listing, as transparency fosters trust with buyers and enhances the likelihood of a sale. Once you've reviewed all the details, set a competitive price for your digital item and publish the listing. After a buyer purchases your item, promptly send the digital file according to the delivery method you specified. It is important to confirm the delivery through eBay messages or email. Keeping communication open in case the buyer has questions or needs assistance is vital for customer satisfaction. Additionally, maintain records of all transactions for your safety and reference. Reliable service and consistent delivery are key factors in building a positive seller reputation on eBay. By ensuring that you provide excellent service, you can improve customer satisfaction and potentially increase repeat business. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.